Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to make Facebook account private completely. So first you have to open the Facebook app, and in here at the top of your screen you guys can see three horizontal line. Tap on here and then scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. After that tap on settings again, and then you guys can see privacy checkup. Tap on here, and in here you guys can see 5 options. Then choose the first one, like who can see what you share, and then tap on continue. And in here you guys can see profile information. Then you just have to change it a little bit. For example, you guys can change friends and followings, like who can see your friend list on your profile. Right now it will set on public. Now I will change it to only me, and then you guys can see who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Then like the previous process, you guys can change it only me. In that way you guys can make your profile information private. Then you guys can also change your birthday setup, like who can see your birthday date. Now change it only me, and then like the previous process, change it only me. After that tap on next, and in here you guys can see post and stories. Now in here you guys can see future post option, like who can see your future post or stories. Just set up it only me. Once you have done this, go to the another option. Then at the story privacy you guys can see there is option hide story from. Then tap on here, and in that way if you want to hide stories from your friend, just tap on the check mark, and then the stories that you are gonna publish, your friends can't see it. Then tap on next. After that tap on next, and then review another topic, and in here tap on how people can find you on Facebook, and then tap on continue. In here you guys can see friend request. Tap. They will tell you that you are in control of who can send you friend request. Now you can choose that who can send you friend request. Right now it is set on everyone. In that way everyone can send you friend request, but if you don't want it, then tap on here and then tap on friends of friends. In that process the friends of your friends can only send you friend request, nobody else can do it. Now tap on next, and then who can look you up by your phone number and email address. Now change it only me, and then like the previous process, change this option only me, and then tap on next. Now you guys can see you are all set. Now let's go back. So this is the process to make your Facebook account completely private. In that way you guys can also make your Facebook account private. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. See you with another video. Until next time, bye bye.